In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to define your website's purpose using Wix. As we dive into this process, you'll want to think about what kind of site best aligns with your goals. Are you setting up an online portfolio, launching a business site, creating an e-commerce store, maintaining a blog, or perhaps building a personal brand? Having a clear purpose in mind is crucial because Wix offers a wide range of industry-specific templates. For instance, if you're in the restaurant business, a photography enthusiast, a coach, or in real estate, knowing what your site will focus on can significantly narrow down your choices and guide you to the perfect template. Now, let's talk about functionality. If you're going to need a booking system, for instance, it's smart to choose a service or appointment based template right from the start. On the flip side, if your main intention is to sell products, you'll want to select an online store or e commerce template that supports that endeavor. For those showcasing work, maybe as an artist or designer, a portfolio or gallery template will serve you best. Lastly, if your primary goal is to share content, you might consider a blog or news template. An essential aspect of your site is user experience, often abbreviated as UX. As you sift through the templates, look for those with clean layouts that feature easy navigation menus. It's also important to make sure that your design looks appealing in mobile view, and luckily Wix allows you to preview your site on different devices to ensure it's user-friendly and visually pleasing. Simplicity often leads to superior user experience, so the simpler, the better. Moving on to branding and aesthetics, the colors, fonts, and overall style of your website should align with your brand's personality. Consider the vibe you want to project. A minimalist style could be ideal for corporate sites, whereas bold and vibrant designs might better suit creative brands. Remember, don't worry too much up front. You can always customize the template later to better align with your vision. When you're planning for the future, scalability is key. Choose a template that provides the flexibility to expand your website later on. For example, a blog template could be enhanced with the store down the road. However, some overly simple designs might limit your ability to grow. So think ahead. It's also important to check for template flexibility, as once your Wix site is published, you won't be able to switch templates without starting your design from scratch. Therefore, it's wise to choose carefully before investing extensive design time into it. Finally, make good use of the Wix template filter. Head over to the Wix template gallery, where you can filter your options by industry, such as business, fashion, events, portfolio, and more. Preview multiple designs to get a sense of what will best meet your website's needs. By following these guidelines, you'll be well on your way to creating a website that not only looks great but also functions effectively to support your goals.